I've been using the Black Falcon drone for a while now, and this is my honest, non-sponsored review. I'll break down what it does, where it has some appeal, and a few limitations you should know about so you can decide if it's worth it. The Black Falcon drone is a compact, foldable camera drone aimed at beginners and casual users. It's positioned as an affordable way to get into aerial photos and videos without spending on premium brands. One thing I noticed early on is that product details can vary depending on where you see it advertised, so it's best to treat the specs with a bit of caution. Starting with the positives, the biggest one is how beginner-friendly it is. It's clearly designed for first-time users. Controls are simple, and you don't need much experience to get it in the air. If your goal is just to try flying a drone or capture a few casual clips, it does lower that entry barrier. The foldable design is also practical. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and doesn't take up much space. I found it convenient for quick trips or just keeping it in a bag without thinking too much about it. And of course, price is a major factor. Compared to well-known drone brands, this sits in a much lower price range. That makes it more approachable if you're not ready to commit to a higher-end drone. But this is where the trade-offs become clear. The biggest issue is consistency and trust. The marketing around this drone can be quite aggressive, and some of the claims don't always match real-world performance. From my experience, camera quality and stabilization are noticeably below what you'd get from established brands. Flight performance is also basic. It works for short, simple flights, but it's not something I'd rely on for smooth cinematic shots or more controlled flying. Wind resistance, battery life, and overall build quality feel more in line with a budget gadget than a serious drone. Another thing to keep in mind is support and returns. With products like this, the buying experience can vary depending on where you purchase it, which adds some risk if something goes wrong. Overall, the Black Falcon drone is best seen as an entry-level, casual use device. If you go in expecting a simple, low-cost way to try flying, it can make sense. But if you're looking for reliable performance, strong camera quality, or long-term value, it's better to consider more established options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.